Thank you for that question. I think social media or the digital technology is a major problem right now, no? And what we should avoid among us, because parents and teachers are educators, we should always remember that we're not only raising a physical person, but we're raising a complete human being, body and soul. No? And that means that we have to form their intellect and their will. No? And one thing that we should avoid with social media and digital technology is to lose that connection with our students and our children. There has to be that connection. You cannot tell your children to just stop using social media at a certain time of the day, or you cannot just confiscate their gadgets, but you have to provide them with alternative activities, no? Like what Gary showed earlier, engage them in sports, pull them out of that social media time. They have to do something else. You have to encourage them to read because that will what's really I think a concern to me, especially with AI, is that we might deprive them of critical thinking skills. And that's why you have to talk with them. You have to find a way in the classrooms to be able to pick their minds, draw out from them what they think. Because